Alrighty, welcome back everybody. As you can kind of still hear in my voice, I'm a little under the weather, still sick, but the packages are rolling in. I got another package here. Let's get right into this. This comes from DDM. They always put a mint in the bag. They always give you their sticker. So these are the Full Force RC torsion bars for the Vector 5. Here is Turtle Racing's steering link, also for the Vector 5. Here is DDM's own product themselves. This is their billet servo horn for the high-tech servo. Here is Turtle Racing's servo posts for the high-tech servo. Here is Vertigo's front body posts for the Vector 5. Then here is Vertigo's front trailing arms, the mounts for the Vector 5. So right now I have a package that came in. I opened it, but I haven't gone through it yet since it's all bubble wrapped. I thought, let me go grab the camera and I'll take you guys along. So let's get into this. So that's everything in the box. Let's get you zoomed in. Whee! Alrighty, so that's everything out of the package. As you can see, these are my samples that I sent in. They were my other aluminum parts that they anodized for me. So those were just the sample parts. Here is the top of the high-tech servo that I showed an unboxing of a couple of videos ago. So that's the blue for the top of that. The IRP hub adapters also that I unboxed a couple of videos ago. These are their rings. Oh, the camera's having a tough time picking them up. But I got all of the rings anodized blue to match. Here are the Full Force torsion bars. Here's both of them. Here is the servo horn for the high-tech servo. Wow, look at that. There is the body for the high-tech servo. Now I left the black anodized that they had, but I had them do the blue over it. Now I'll zoom you in a little bit closer so you guys can see. Hopefully the camera picks it up. The camera's having a tough time. But as you can see, the black on the outside and the blue on the inside. So let me zoom you back out. Now these are all the hubs, the IRP hubs. I took out the screws and you know, sent them out so they could be anodized. So that's one hub. Who knows where the rest are? Oh, look at that. There's another hub. These are some spacers that I made that I also, as I drop one, had them anodized for me. Here is the bottom of the high-tech servo. These are Vertigo's trailing arm mounts. I had another Turtle Racing steering link made since I messed up pushing the bearings in on my old one and I scratched the aluminum. So I bought another one and I had that one redone. Here is another IRP hub. This should be the other one, guessing the size of it. So there's the other one. Here are the Turtle Racing servo mounts for the high-tech servo. They have the hole in it so the servo wires will fit through it. And the last one. Let's see what's in there. Here are the Vertigo front body mounts. They're made out of machined aluminum. And that was everything. Man, I can't get over this part right here. It looks so badass. With the black and the blue coming through. I'll have to put some high-res pictures at the end of this video so you guys can see all the parts. The camera's not doing this part justice and it looks so cool. So, alrighty, that's being everything that I opened, all the wrapping. So, with that being said, like I said, I'll get all these parts on the vehicle. I may or may not film it, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.